Do you want to know how to save snaps directly into My Eyes Only on Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. So let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then log in. Now take a snap. Then on the bottom of your screen, you're gonna see three options: download, story, and send to. Go ahead and long press on the download button on the bottom left corner. Then a menu will appear on your screen. There you can see the first option. There is My Eyes Only. Go ahead and tap on My Eyes Only. Then it will go ahead and be saved on My Eyes Only. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.